Alright, welcome again to my channel. My name is Donald Joel. I'm so glad to have you here today again. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you something very simple and quick. I will show you how you can create a 3D text effect using your CorelDraw. So straight away, let's get to work. My CorelDraw is already launched. I will be using this word drones to achieve a 3D text effect. Okay, so just follow what I'm doing. First of all, I want to change the font name. That's the font name. Let me change it to something okay, more presentable. Okay, what I just did then, I used my shape tool to actually close the gap between the text. That's reducing the line spacing of the text. Now there are two ways which you achieve your 3D text effect. Did I say 2 ways? Sorry, more than 2 ways. There are up to 3 to 4 ways through which you can achieve your 3D text effect in CorelDraw. And I'm just going to be showing you 2 today, or possibly 3. Okay, we can do that. Now, number 1, I will be using the blend tool. There is a tool we call blend tool in CorelDraw, and you find that tool under your effect tools in your from your toolbar. You find it there. So what I will do is this: for you to use the blend tool, this is what you do. Duplicate this text by moving or dragging the text, then you right click, or you use Ctrl+D, which is duplicate. Now what I will do is I will change the color of this text, maybe to another color entirely. So I'll select either of the text, take my blend tool, then hold down my mouse and drag the text at the top or at the bottom to meet with each other. Now I can reduce this, or increase it. So I think we have a 3D. So for me to have a well extruded 3D, what I will do is this: I might decide to change my colors. Sorry, I think I did that wrongly. So what I will do is this: go to object, then you take break apart, or you separate. Sorry, break apart, or I think they can be separated. Okay, yep, break, blend apart. Now we can break that apart and make each of these colors stand out on their own. All right, so we have this and we also have this. Okay, so you can decide to separate them and give them different colors if you wish. Okay, I think we have achieved this. All right, you can see this is a 3D effect. Yeah, I think this is good. You also can decide to use the extrude tool. Which is the next one I'll be going to. I use more of the extrude tool you get when I am working with CorelDraw and my 3D, I want to achieve 3D. I use more of my extrude. All right, let's get to work making use of the extrude. All you need to do is pull down or pull to any of the directions, not necessarily down. Okay, sorry about that noise. That was my microphone. So the next thing you do is break extrude apart, separate the extrude from the text, so you have something like this, so that you can work on both separately. Okay, we have something like this, then the extrude behind. Okay, if you decide to use black, no problem. I think that's cool. That's cool. So that you can work on both the text and the extrude separately. You can decide to give this an outline. You give this an outline so that they can stand out. Decide to give it a red outline, and then you can decide to add a shadow to this so as to give it a perfect effect. All right, convert the duplicated file to bitmap and blur. All right, so you can see that this text is really coming out now. Okay, if you duplicate, you can bring this forward, then you can bring this forward. All right, so I think we have a 3D text effect. Simple. If you want to make it more realistic, you can decide to add more things to this and make it more realistic. So you have something of this. Power clip. You can decide to give it white or any color you wish to bring more of the effect out. You can see that. You can decide to give it any color, but I want to use white because I want to get a gloss shadow, a gloss effect. Okay, so I think this is cool. This is really cool. So we have a 3D text here. Okay. We can fill our page with color. Yellow will do it better. All right. So you see, we have this. So thank you for watching this video. I think our next video will be more on text effects. I'll be showing you various text effects next time, both on Photoshop, both on CorelDraw. This is just for the beginners, how you can achieve your text effects using CorelDraw. Then I think you can still sorry for that. That was from the shadow, I guessed. I think so. Yeah. So I think you can still work on your color from behind, so that you can get a perfect gradient, and wow, I love this. You get a perfect gradient. So that's just it. That's it. You can see this is cool. This is cool. You get this is cool. I think yellow will do the job better. This is cool. So thank you for watching this video. I really look forward to seeing you again, and see you next time. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, do so and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I'm coming up with videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much, and bye bye.